friends, welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to get rid of dark circles permanently in just 1 week. As we all know, festive season is on the way and we all just want our skin to be perfect without dark circles and totally clean and even. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to get rid of your dark circles permanently, and in the end of this video I'm going to do a giveaway, which is like a first time giveaway. So beauties, watch this video till the end and let's get started. So friends, first of all let me tell you how I get rid of my dark circles. Though I don't have so much of dark circles, not at all, but I'm having little bit of it. But now as you can see, my area is totally clean, and right now I'm not wearing any makeup on my under eye not at all. This is like totally natural, and this is it actually. So beauties, let me tell you about the product which I'm using. This is Jiva Pure Radiance Under Eye Cream. This under eye cream is like something which will gonna remove your dark circles in just 3 days. Actually 7 days it is written, but I have started seeing the difference in just 3 days, and trust me, it works. Now I'm going to show you the demo also, how I apply on my under eye and everything. For doing a demo beauties, let me read what this product claims and everything. Jiva Under Eye Cream has a special blended formulation to address eye area concern like wrinkles, eye bags, under eye, dark circles, puffiness, etc. Super lightweighted creams lock in moisture, hydrate the skin and give great results. Yes, this is true. Like what are the directions are: cleanse your skin around your eye area, then apply a small dot size around your eye and gently massage it. Thoroughly absorbed, safe to use morning and night. Yes, I applied it 2 times a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. And then the ingredients are purified water, aloe vera leaf extract, glycerine, then sunflower oil, caffeine, shea butter extract, then hydrated. There are so many: vitamin E, argan oil. This is totally herbal and totally natural. Let me clear you, this is not a chemical base, not at all. This is totally herbal. And there is green tea extract also. So it sounds too good and it works magically. So now beauties, let me give you a demo of this. This is, you can see I'm using it. This is too good, and this one is like this. Here I'm taking, I have already washed my face. Here you can see this part is totally cleansed. I'm not wearing any mascara, kajal or anything. I'm totally bare eyes. So here I'm taking 1 pump of it, you can see. Now I'm going to apply it on my under eye like this. I just massage it like this in a circular motion until it gets absorbed. Like this, doing same on the other eye, taking another pump of it. If you're having a dark circle problem or any under eye problem, then I'm recommending you this Jiva Under Eye Cream. This is the best and the best. Trust me, I applied it, I used it, and I have given you a demo also. This is like amazing. I'm doing it like 2 times a day, once in the morning and once in the evening after washing my face, and trust me, I have seen a difference like this. So beauties, now it's a giveaway time, and what the thing which I'm going to give you in this giveaway is this Jiva Pure Radiance Under Eye Cream, because this is, I personally use it. Trust me beauties, I'm personally using it, and I know many of my subscribers are suffering from dark circle under eye problem. So I just decided I think I should do this a giveaway. So I'm going to give you now beauties. Let me tell you what are the steps which you have to do, and then randomly I will gonna select my subscribers. So beauties, what you have to do, there are 3 steps. First one is that you have to click the link of this product which is in my description box. Firstly, you have to click the link which is in my description box. The second thing is that you have to comment it in the comment section that what under eye problem you are facing, and the third one is that you have to follow me on Instagram. So beauties, firstly just go and click the link which is in my description box, and I'm going to check the list that which are my subscribers who clicked the link, and from that I'm going to select my winner. So just go and do these 3 steps, and in my next video I'm going to tell my winner's name. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Just go right now and click the link, comment it in the comment section your under eye problem, and the third one is follow me on Instagram. So beauties, see you in my next video. Just go and grab this, just go for it. And I love you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Please subscribe my channel. I love you so much. Do follow me on Instagram, and see you there. Bye and take care.